Stop and take a moment. You're about to witness something amazing. Look closely as this mother bird returns to her nest, carrying a fresh worm for her hungry babies. Watch how she carefully feeds each chick, ensuring they all get their turn. This is nature's purest form of love, nurturing, providing, and protecting her little ones. The baby birds chirp excitedly, their tiny beaks wide open, trusting their mom completely. It's incredible how even the smallest creatures show such deep care. Moments like this remind us of the beauty and instinct in the animal kingdom. Love your family.